my name is John Peroni. Built the first few racks with my daughter, 12 years old, bought her first surfboard, had a few classes in college making plastics, built a rack, built 2 racks, built 6 racks, built 20 racks. Everyone wanted them, here we are. We have verticals, we have horizontals, we have everything you want. We're in major shops and it's awesome. They're unbreakable, clear acrylic, nothing like them, made in the world. The first few racks were made on scroll saws. It's that simple. Buy a piece of plastic, cut them, bend them, and make them into surf racks. So after that, we had to move to our own production. We couldn't outsource everything. We had to buy our own CNC machine. We went to Laguna Tools. They happened to be a local company, which was very friendly and awesome. And we bought our first CNC, and now we make them ourselves. We have custom crafted these surf racks to be the best in the world by far, without a doubt. Our most popular models are these 2 hanging right here. Horizontal, 45 degree, much like the popular Rocky rack that enables easy lift out. Of course, there's padding to protect the board. On top of that, what you have is the horizontal trophy style, which portrays a board in a picture-like setting up to 6 inches on a fin. So most boards, short or long, will fit in this. If the fin is longer than 10 inches, you have to move to our longer, big fin rack. So these are our 2 most popular vertically mounted racks. This one actually holds any board, no fin or fin faced out, flush to the wall. 2 fingers and a base, even a slot to hold a permanent fin. This model actually holds any board, even up to 10 inches long of a fin. There's a back piece that holds the base, the 2 fingers holds it. All you have to do to remove it is simply lift up and carry that board to wherever you want to go. For our retailers, we have display racks. Look at this piece, it's free. You buy through our distributors. Rainbow Distributing the East Coast, Block Distributing the West Coast. We will have the rack for you with a minimum purchase. It's amazing.
Hi, my name is James Sparge, and I work on making racks here at On the Wall Racks. Today, what I'll be cutting out are these 3 different types of racks that we make. You have your layback, 45, and then our standard trophy. This is going to be out of 1/4-inch acrylic that I've laid out here on the CNC machine. I have already come along and put our logo with the 60-degree V-bit, and I've already come along with the end mill bit and punched holes in the acrylic to hold it down to our MDF safety board. So this is the 3rd step in making these amazing racks, bending. After we've cut with the CNC, we bring it over to our bending station and bend it to that perfect angle. So after bending is packaging. What we have here are your left and right side rack with shrink wrapped, making sure that there is no scratches. We have nice foam, and then we attach hardware on the outside after shrink wrapping it. And this one here, like usual, is going to Hawaii.
And this one's going to Hawaii. Bye-bye. Bye. Steve Alvarez at Laguna Tools took me through the process of buying this machine from start to finish. I thank you very much for Steve and Chris and the service I got from Laguna Tools. Didn't know what to buy my machine. It was a big decision, but since I bought it, I have had no regrets. And thank you guys very much. Appreciate it.